Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are fine. I'm Abhishek Anand. Today we will study computer. Our first chapter is evolution of computer. Evolution means development of our computer. So nowadays, whatever computer we are using, it is not exactly when computer was built. Means in the starting time, the size, the technology, the speed, the accuracy, everything was different. So by time, is the development was done, and and even we can say that uh, after some time now, like 2030 40, there may be another level of development of computer will be there. So the technology will be higher. So whatever computer now, this modern computer we are using, this is the result of several years of hard work. It is not uh, built in a one day. So this is the work of several years. The discoveries by large number of individuals and organizations from all over the world. Some history about our computer is that, so first of all, know that whenever we need of something, suppose we require something, we have the need of getting something, so obviously we invent something. So this computer is also the invention of our need. The history of computers starts with necessity of early settlement to keep count of his belongings, especially cattle. So it was started, the history of computer for counting, to count the things, like it is uh, it is given like cattle. Means in the history of computer started with the counting of cattle, because they need to count on these things. Soon developed a counting number system, and perhaps started using pebbles for counting. Means they were using for the counting, for their cattle they are using pebbles. In year 3000 BC, the Chinese developed abacus, which is seen as the first calculating device created by mankind. So abacus was the first type of calculating device which was developed by the which was developed by the this Chinese people, and then and the name of that particular device is abacus. Then after John Napier, he also developed a manual calculating device in year 1617 AD. So likewise many developments come. You can see the next page. In the next page you can see some scientists name are there. In the one side you can see there are some scientists name, this side you can see, and this is the development of that scientist. The first, in the year 3000 BC, the Chinese people who developed abacus. What is abacus? It is a counting device, and it is made of wooden frame and beads. You can see here, this is made of wooden beads and frame. So it is used for the calculation. Next man is John Napier. He is a Scottish mathematician, and he developed a manual calculating device. You can see this is the manual calculating device. It is the development of this man, John Napier. Next was this Blaise Pascal. The next man is Blaise Pascal, French mathematician, and he developed Pascaline. The name of his invention is Pascaline, a mechanical calculating device used for addition and subtraction. This is used for the addition and subtraction. The next development was done by Gottfried von Leibniz, German mathematician. What was the development? Stabrechnner, a machine that could multiply and divide. This machine can multiply and divide. Okay, it was the this development was done by Gottfried von Leibniz. Next, John Marie Jacquard. John Marie Jacquard, French Vivier. So what he developed? This punch card in looms. Punch card in looms. The next development was a very important development that was done by the Charles Babbage, and also we know the father of computer is Charles Babbage because he developed two type of engine. One is difference engine, another is your analytical engine. Because of these two engine, and we also called father of computer this man Charles Babbage, English mathematician. This Charles Babbage. Next, Lady Ada Lovelace, English mathematician and writer, and she was the first programmer also. The programming language ADA is named after her. She introduced the concept of binary language, which is one of the biggest and most significant invention in the history of computer. So this lady has given big contribution in the evolution of computer. Next is Herman Hollerith. Herman Hollerith, American statistician. What he has done, he developed tabulating machine, a pioneer of IBM in USA. The next is your Professor Howard H. Aiken. He was American mathematician. He developed Mark I computer, the first electromechanical computer. This is the first electromechanical computer. That is Mark I. Mark I is the computer which is first electromechanical computer. Got it? Okay. In the next page you can see John von Neumann, American mathematician. He has given the concept of programmability. He has given the concept of programmability. This man John von Neumann. Next is your Mauchly and Eckert and others. They had given three invention: ENIAC, EDVAC, EDVAC and UNIVAC. So what is ENIAC? The first electronic general purpose computer. This is the first electronic general purpose computer. This EDVAC, the first stored program computer. Here program were stored. And UNIVAC, the first commercial computer. This is the commercially developed computer. Okay, but one fact must you know, this, nowadays abacus is still used in some countries like Japan, China. There in that country, some in China and Japan, people are using abacus and they can calculate faster than the electronic calculators. By using abacus, they can calculate the numbers faster than the electronic calculator. So abacus is still in use in some countries like Japan and China. So hope you understand this invention of computers and the history of computers. What you have to do, this scientist name and their invention, you have to write in your copy, and also you can paste these pictures in your copy. Okay, so in the next class, and also you have to learn this all scientist name and their invention. In the next class we will study generation of computers. Okay, thank you.